Hi Mark, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a few questions for you. So, it's your first EuroShop with Newland. How's it going so far?
Well, it's been fantastic. There's a real energy here. EuroShop, is a truly global event with visitors coming from all over the world and exhibitors from 50 other countries. So as far as Newland is concerned, I'm truly thrilled to join a truly global company. Double-digit growth, innovation at the center of attention, together with a top-notch offering, quality of service, and more importantly, a predictable and reliable company. Everything that is today at the center of the conversations.
Great. So, what are you most excited about this week?
So, strategic conversations, of course. Interestingly enough, I have been in the Asian payment market for the past 14 years, dealing with customers from all across Asia, and now it's the time for a catch-up. So I'm very excited to meet with partners, customers, understand the specificities of the European market, but as well as similarities with Asian markets. So less around individual devices, more about estate management, life cycle integrations, etc. How payments support broader operational goals, that's what I expect to see during EuroShop.
Interesting. So, what themes are you hearing most from partners and customers?
Well, I would say resilience, flexibility, simplicity. People want solutions that scale and integrate cleanly. We need to reduce operational friction, not just new features on a terminal. As simple as that.
Nice. And so we talk a lot about POS evolving. What does that look like to you?
We are seeing POS becoming infrastructure. It's less a standalone product and more of a connected layer now. And for Newland, this has a direct impact. Not only we need to be best in class in hardware, but we also need to adapt, to adjust with new software services and end-to-end innovative solutions. And we also need to develop the ecosystem through partnerships all across the world.
Brilliant. So can you tell me what's changing fastest? Technology, customer expectations, or business models?
Well, we're seeing payments evolve into intelligent, data-driven, highly flexible acceptance systems, powered by AI, open rails, new consumer methods like wallets and real-time bank-to-bank flows. For instance, AI-driven and machine learning are transforming payment acceptance from a static process into a dynamic, optimized flow. Also, one of the emerging disruptors is agentic commerce, where AI assistants can actually make purchases on behalf of users. And last but not least, payments are moving away from purely card-centric acceptance, A2A payments, or digital wallets.
So what role is Newland best placed to play in that evolving landscape?
I would say navigation, helping customers navigating this complexity. Or in other words, I would say flexibility and agility. From my few months with Newland NPT, I have to say that these are Newland NPT's biggest assets in this entire ecosystem. Flexibility, agility. Newland NPT benefits strong certifications, our kit, our solutions, our software is frequently refreshed, and when we sell something to market, we typically last longer than competitors because of flexibility and agility, coupled with our ability to help customers navigate the ecosystem complexity. That's what's at stake today.
So there's lots of payment providers here at the conference. What differentiates Newland from the rest of them?
Well, I would say it's the balance of innovation and practicality. We are not chasing hype here. We are deploying solutions that people can deploy confidently. We're always going to offer terminals that are leading edge, of course. We can take that as a standard. But our real priority is always going to be delivering solutions that customers can deploy, manage, and scale with absolute confidence. Because again, what's at stake here is absolute trust.
Amazing. So where then are customers seeing the most value in Newland's approach?
In one word, versatility. We have a good balance of product configurations within a small number of powerful platforms. This means that we can support a wide range of use cases. We have a wide product portfolio, handful of platforms, best of both worlds. Easily scalable, and once you combine that with multiple deployments, estate management like Tom's, it all feels customizable.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mark. One last question. If there is one key takeaway that visitors should have from kind of Newland at the show, what should that be?
POS becoming infrastructure is now even more crucial. Newland NPT is here to help businesses build payments acceptance that is scalable, secure, and resilient. And last word, the winners here, they are not defined by devices, they are defined by execution.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time today.